Halong Bay is one of the most popular destinations in Vietnam. There are nearly 2,000 islands and islets in the bay. The limestones in this bay has gone through 500 million years of formation in different conditions and environments. There are many different ways to enjoy Halong Bay, but more often choice will be taking an overnight cruise trip. There are 2-day trip, 3-day trip and even longer trip available, and we chose the 2-day trip. The room is decent with a bathtub facing to the water. The ticket is all inclusive except beverage. If you want more, you can easily find a short boat around you. There are many activities during the trip, so you won't feel bored. At the first day of the cruise, you can choose kayaking or swimming. Immerse yourself in this picturesque surrounding. The green water stretching out, inviting you to this wonderland. If you don't feel like close to the water, you can also explore on the cruise. In the evening, you can join the cooking class. You can eat your own made spring roll after. Waking up in the early morning on the cruise, you can join the Taichi class to refresh yourself and gain more energy for the day. After the exercise and breakfast, we are taken by a rowing boat to the cave. If the water level is too high, then we won't be able to get in. This geomorphology is known as a drowned karst landscape, due to the exceptional combination of its limestone karst features, which have been subject to repeated regression and transgressions of the sea over geological time. And the rowing girl is in fact living on the boat. Thank you for watching.